The topic today is the Eastern culture or Western culture. In this globalized world, I don't think we can differentiate between Eastern and Western, because everything, whatever they invent over there, immediately next second it comes over here. This internet world, Facebook world, Orkut world, YouTube world, in this multi-level MNC companies, you find the tourist people coming over here and going there. Something over there, some economical activities affected in US, we find the effect over here in India or Singapore or Malaysia. So every country is affected by some event somewhere. Twin Towers, some problem happens, it is reflected over here. So Eastern and Western countries, we are separating it and trying to find out what's the difference now. You find many Americans, many Indians going to America, many Americans and Chinese coming here. You find Hyundai, Santro, whatnot, and our Indian companies, Wipro, TCS, Cognizant. We can find our presence over in foreign countries. So everywhere we find Indians, and everywhere we find Americans and Europeans, everywhere we find Japanese. So coming here, distinctly, can you tell the difference between Eastern culture and Western culture? What are the differences? In what way we are better, or what way they are better? Or we need something both together, the culture, integration of the cultures. We have middle countries also, Arab countries. Extreme East, you can go east, you can find including Australia, New Zealand, even they come under Eastern countries. Western countries, European, American countries. The middle countries are the Arab countries, Gulf countries. No, I just give the floor to you. You try to discuss, try to converse yourself in English, tell the points, and if you are unable to tell your points in English, you can go in for Tamil, but I'm not telling you should go in for Tamil. Go in for English, but the people who are unable, then you can go in for Tamil. And I fix him as a leader. What's your name, sir? Nanda Kumar. Nanda Kumar as the leader of this particular group. Eastern or Western? Which?
Western.
They want to go in for Western. And Muttalaku and her team, she wants to go in for Eastern. Is it all right, Muttalaku? Okay. Now, I give them. Okay, you can have the mic. You can have this mic. All the best.
Where they are more traditional and you think they are more traditional and to say spiritual oriented. You oppose something?
I prefer to the Western cultures because rather than the traditional and spiritual, they are more scientific. They depend upon not for magic, they depend upon logics. They work with logics. They are developing a lot of things in Western countries. They almost they will be an example for the rest of the world. Nowadays we are traditional and we are very spiritual, but now we are slowly intoxicated with the Western culture.
You cannot say we are not intelligent like that. Even in some people in our country also, they are more scientific oriented, and they too are inventing some things. You cannot say like that, right?
So I can't accept. I will accept some Eastern countries are doing well, but most of the inventions and most of the developments are only with the Western countries. They made in a good culture. You know, it's not only it's a nucleus family, but in other ways they do some improvements. There are some very good cultures there. They maintain the more discipline than Eastern culture.
No, you cannot say that they are maintaining more discipline than as Eastern culture. We are more disciplined. In my point of view, we are more disciplined and we are more cultured than the Western country people. How you are saying that they are disciplined and they are cultured? You cannot say like that. We are more disciplined and we are more cultured.
She is right, because we can't say that you can't say that Western cultures are very disciplined. We compared to Western culture, Eastern culture is very disciplined.
Can you give us some examples?
Yeah, some here many girls are very disciplined. Not only girls, in many things we can say that traditionally they are following these some things. In money, in work, only they are well educated. Okay, educated persons are there in Western culture, but in Eastern countries we see the discipline quite. How can I say? Like that, many peoples are there.
I don't accept it because it's
Why?
I think caste and religion is there for the Eastern country.
Actually, we are opposing for what he said. I mean, he said that they are more cultured than us. We are more cultured and we are more traditional. Doing I don't know, doing 3 or 4 marriages. Do you think that is more traditional, cultured, or disciplined? How can you say that?
Yes, it's a good thing. Wait.
That is not.
Wait,
That doesn't mean that they are
It's a-
cultured. I mean, from your point of view, what do you think that what is the meaning of
So
culture, tradition?
if marrying one girl, there are a lot of problems with them, but they can't go just like that. But not only I mentioned is the discipline, not only the discipline of girl and boy, it's totally there's some discipline is maintained. For case if we can throw any paper in the road in.
That is
No,
the rules.
not like that. They are more
with that
punctual.
one thing,
If
you
you
know,
work
you-
with Western culture, now we are adopting the Western culture. We go into punch the cards. We have to maintain the punctuality. We have to maintain the discipline. They have the set of rules and regulations, but we are not having that set. We have, but it's more dependent upon ritual. But they are having the set of procedures. They well written procedures. They believe on the science's logics. Simply not.
We also following that. Okay, we also following the discipline. Okay. How can I say? You continue.
Yeah, you are saying that they are not throwing paper or anything. With that one thing, you cannot say that they are more disciplined than us.
No, not only in a professional manner in India. So in Eastern countries, we have to we can't share our views to the superiors. Most of the superiors not accepting that. But for example, in India and Eastern countries, we have to ask sir to our superior. But in Western culture, we call them by name.
We think that we have to be more disciplined. We should respect our elders
No,
and we should act according
it's
to
not
them.
a respect. Not only
In this itself, you are saying that we are maintaining the discipline. We are giving respect to seniors. Okay.
no, just putting the sir only will not give the respect. They respect your views, but here our views are denied.
No, you cannot say that now in your company you are bearing everything. You are not complaining anything to your senior, or you're not at all talking to your
No,
senior.
I am not talking about my company. My company is an Eastern company. It's from Korea only. I am not talking about my company.
No, I mean.
In Eastern countries, parents care their children and taught how to live in future and all. In Western countries, no one can taught and care their children.
Here in Eastern countries, everything is spoon feeding.
No, you
Like,
cannot
no,
say
no.
that.
Here, there.
You cannot say that everything is spoon feeding.
Yes.
How can you say that everything is?
Yes, up to the marriage, parents are taking care of children. After that, the spouse will take care of the children. But in Western countries, they leave them to live. They leave them to decide what they are going to do happen. They give full freedom to them. So they have the they have the freedom to choose what they like. But here not. If a parent want to become an engineer, he has to become an engineer.
Yeah, I agree with you, but not at. Not in all the cases. The parents are more affectionate. In the Eastern countries, the people are the family bonding is more over here when compared to other countries, western countries. So the children over here are cared so much by their parents, but you cannot say that they are spoon feeding. The affection, the parents showing so much of affection to their children to make them grow well.
Studying wise, here Eastern countries, the parents is depending only, and they not taking decisions. Here in,
Some of the parents are like that. They are
In Eastern countries,
some of, not some of, 90% depends of the parents. In Western countries,
in my house, I'm
no, not for. I'm saying 10% except. That is 90% of depends of the parents.
whatever it depends also, they can, they are well grown on.
Western countries is not that type of available now. They're giving freedom. What type of they'll studies, they'll take in studies. That is the difference. So Western countries.
actually in Eastern countries the parents are taking so much of care for their future.
I'm not saying that studies also. They're independent but dress also. Here depends support dress also. Up to 10 years, don't put in like that.
You ask the Western in Western countries, you ask the children, means they will tell, they feel very
Family
sad.
lifestyle, ladies are restricted.
No one care for me. They will tell like that. Okay, in Eastern countries, they will tell. Okay,
No.
yeah, because they will tell, man, dad and mom are not carrying me. They are going and working. They can't able to take care of my. They will feel like that only. In Eastern countries, not like that. They all are happy with family. They are joint family. They are not like that. They mom and dad will go to work and leave the child alone. Even they can't able to take care of the child. They can't able to spend with the time with child. Okay, but in Western countries they spend the time with child and they can able to teach everything to them. Okay, it's a very useful for the child. How can you say that they will learn everything? They will feel, really they will feel, nah, my mom not here, my dad will not fear. They can't able to take care my, like that they will feel.
Can you
okay,
tell?
in Eastern countries they will not tell like
You
that.
told a giant family. Can you tell the meaning of giant family?
Joint family means everybody will be there. Uncle will be there, auntie will be there. Everybody will be there. Okay, in Western countries, mom and dad only be there.
No.
You are saying that is
No.
They feel happy in this joint family. You can able to say that Western countries are with the happy.
Yes.
No.
They are absolutely happy.
family wise happy.
They are absolutely happy.
The Western countries are very independent.
They can change their wife frequently. In
No.
saying that they are all happy.
Yes.
No.
Living with one girl for lifetime is a very sad thing. They love to live. How do you live? No. Why can't we adjust? Why can't we? India.
Life is to adjust and have to live happily. You have to learn. Okay, we can't able to change everything. If you ain't able to, if you change like that, there is no. You
Yes,
can't.
I feel happy.
You can't able to.
I feel happy.
Why you are earning money for now? Why you are earning money?
For my happiness.
For your happiness only.
Yes,
What about your
absolutely.
children's? What about your children's?
I don't bother.
You leave them. You leave them alone.
I'm not married, so I'm not bothered.
After marriage, you won't marry.
Definitely. I don't know.
Don't tell like that and all.
I
okay?
know how many
You will
times I'm
marry
going to
and you
marry.
will work for. You will earn money for our children. Okay.
I don't know how many times I'm going to marry.
You can't tell that. You will marry. You will have the children.
Yes,
you will earn money for your children. Okay.
Yes, definitely. In all now
You too do that.
No, no.
You too give spoon feeding for your children. Okay.
it does. Yes, I am in Eastern country only. Yes,
Why can't you change that? You are now you are speaking about a Western culture. Why can't you continue with the Western culture?
Can you tell me you didn't follow the Western culture?
In which we are current? in which we are following.
Actually, speak English also is a Western. You are
No. You cannot say this.
you are trying to follow the Western culture only.
Actually, we are learning this to communicate to improve our communication.
English is only official language. Official language.
If you want to go for a job and all, there we cannot speak English. Tamil. No. If you want to work for some Western country companies, we want to speak in only English. International language. So that we are learning English, but we are not. You cannot say that we are adopting that culture and all.
Yep, that's I agree with you. While considering the language, as you said, it's completely understandable. But here the topic is not about languages and all. It's about a Western and Eastern culture, right?
Yeah, I know
So
that,
as
but
she
your team leader only said that you are adopting Western culture by speaking English. now.
As she said, we're coming back to the children. Since we are in Eastern culture, we are supposed to follow this Eastern culture. But while taking the Western culture into consideration, in the Western culture, each children has the ability to think of its own, and he is not supposed to depend on their parents. Whereas in Eastern culture, for each and everything, the children has to depend on their parents for buying a book, for taking decision, for each and everything. He has to depend on the parents.
Yeah, even in Western country also, the children depend on their parents up to the age of 17. You know, they have to depend for
So you are
buying
the
books,
people-
buying
so
pens.
you people only
everything
told us
they have
that-
to depend on their parents. After 17 only they can.
So if
They can be.
if that is the case, you people only told us that then the parents never take care of the children in the Western culture.
They
Right?
will take care. Take care means they will take care of.
But many of the children, children, they are feeling, because the parents, they are marrying two or more marriages are allowed.
they will leave them. They will feel alone.
First, we need to complete one topic and then we can move on to other one, right?
In that only we
You
are
cannot
talking
say
about
like
that.
Actually, we are
We
just
cannot
talking about
stay
the
the
children,
same
right?
topic.
Careness to the children.
Yeah, in this also we can say that they are not caring.
How do
She marry another person means how can
Do
she
you think that
care-
marrying another guy or another girl?
Yeah, in Western culture they will love them another person. They will then
why-
she will love them other person.
Yep, that's why for that reason only they are making their children to depend on their own, and they are allowing the children to take their own decision.
Only after the age of
Yeah, 17. Before
Till
that,
17, what they'll do if they don't have their parents means.
Do you think that all the parents are doing this?
I'm not saying that all the parents are doing it. Most of them
If you
are
could-
like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
But you cannot see that in Indian
If
culture
that is
only.
the case, if you consider in India also, we do have such kind of parents leaving the children in the road, and they are.
Rare cases. Rare cases.
If you consider percentage, yeah. If you are saying that as an example, in Western
But
culture,
they're.
I could say that in
more
India
of
as
them
well.
are, most of them are like that only. Because that is allowed. Over there, more 2 or more marriages are allowed. But in India, we don't. But in Eastern countries, it is not allowed. So.
That's not allowed, right?
Yeah.
That's why we are here. We are behaving like this. If that is allowed here, we will also do like that only.
But that is what.
Actually,
that's
that's their own decision, right? That's their own decision. They,
That depends upon
if
the
you could see,
individual.
if you could see the difference between India, the Eastern culture and Western culture, the divorce cases are more here in India. Of course, in Eastern country.
no. In Western culture only we have more divorce.
they-
Divorce
Compared
is
to
very difficult over here, but it is very easy
easy to
here.
get.
Yeah, actually, I'm not talking about the difference. Difficult or easy to get. I'm just talking about.
More
The percentage.
Compare
You're talking about the
I'm
percentage.
talking
The
percentage.
percentage is
Percentage
more
more.
over there only.
So
in Western culture only they more.
So apart from the culture, there are a lot of things is there. Can you move to next topic?
Yeah, okay.
I accept with your point based on our culture, but when comparing to the knowledge transfer, actually Eastern countries, when comparing to our knowledge transfer, Eastern country is a little bit, it's not little bit, much far away from.
I agree with you, but most of our people are actually studying here and they are improving their knowledge, but they are going to
No,
abroad
no.
and they are actually
Actually, I'm
using
just
using
telling
their
that,
intelligence over there.
What I'm telling is,
You have to study here and you have to work for India. And why the hell you are going you are studying here
That
and going for
depends upon
abroad?
the individual, you know. Even you,
Yeah,
you
that's
are
what-
here, you are here in Eastern culture,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Eastern country, right?
Yes.
Then you change the culture. You
Why should I change the culture? Since I'm in Eastern culture, I have to be
you
with
work
Eastern
for
culture,
your
right?
country. You don't go for abroad.
You be here and you work for your
wait for
country.
your friends. Ah.
No, actually, when compared to the Eastern, globalization is mostly influenced by the Western countries. Still, in India also slowly turned into the Western culture.
I don't know in which way.
In
what way you are saying.
in globalization, nowadays world turns to the Western. Most of the world. Now you are wearing the traditional dress. How many people?
Yeah.
We are in traditional dress.
Actually, wearing dress is not about a traditional
No,
culture one.
somewhat is slowly intoxicated with the Eastern culture. But you are, I don't know, you are know what's your traditional, and you almost all the people slowly forgetting the traditional and trying to jump to Western culture. Is it right or not?
actually, if we see 200 years,
There is alcohol drinking. Here the Eastern countries is restriction. It's family oriented. They will abstracting. So in Western country, everybody is alcohol taking. They no problem. So nobody scolding. Nobody restricting.
That is what.
That's the same. Your
Actually,
culture and family,
drinking,
family culture.
taking alcohol is good or bad?
So little bit taking is good.
Little-
Everybody.
They will take more, okay? It spoil the life.
not,
So
not more.
That is why.
We are
it's a
restricting
habit.
the-
Slowly.
Actually, they used
you'll
to
be
take
addicted.
alcohol for their since their weather is too cold, they have to take it.
little bit is.
But
you
most
are-
of them are addicted. Some people are addicted to it,
Actually,
right?
it's not addicted. They used to it. It's become a part of their life, and it's a routine for them.
Addicted
It's not a
means-
part of it. It's wasting the life.
They are not.
Say
They
that.
are taking that to an extreme level. They are just used. They are just using it as
You
a.
cannot say that all the
medicine.
people are taking. I mean, only to the to some level. How can you say like that?
No, in
Some people are addicted
whatever
to it.
whenever the resistance is high, they have to induce to consume more. But here, in Western countries, it's a normal thing. Not only alcohol consumption, everything is they are allowed. They
They are
setting free.
allowed, but,
Only thing hiding and restricting will create more interest to them, to fetch them. Anything. If you hide something, if you restrict something, it can leads to the more interest. But here, everybody is granted. Everything is granted.
No, if in Eastern country, if a man is addicted, it won't create any problem.
No.
Do you say like that?
Not only in I told all everything, employment, all the freedom, decision making
The
is
government
everything.
is not restricting and all. We people, to take care of our, for our people, we are actually restricting. I mean, if my friend is addicted to alcohol, we are restricting, but the government is not restricting here, right?
No,
Because we are
no,
more.
I didn't talk about the alcohol.
He said no.
No, I didn't talk when everything in Western countries they have the freedom to do.
Here also they have freedom
No,
to do, but
here restricted.
no.
Here it's family oriented. It's
Yeah, they are
That's
schooling
right.
because they take
They
care of
didn't
them.
worry about the health condition. We are worrying about the health condition. So only we are restricting. Okay. In Western countries, they won't bother about the health. Okay. They need enjoyment. But here we are carrying the persons. We are considering the person has a. We have to live for long life. So they are worrying about the person. So they are restricting the alcohol. Okay. That's it.
If your brother or some friends of you takes alcohol and if he was addicted to alcohol, you won't restrict him.
You leave them to take.
no, actually, if you exceeding the limit only, it will be the dangerous.
Not about alcohol and everything. They will provide the freedoms.
For everything.
ஜாப்
they are-
ஓரியன்ட் ஜாப் ஓரியன்ட் தமிழில் சொல்லிடுறேன்.
maybe
வேலை
I-
வேலை விஷயமா நாங்கள்
Can't give freedom for everything.
I'll agree
வேலை
with you for
வேலை
that,
விஷயமா நம்ம இங்கே
job oriented and all, but not
நிறைய
in
பணம்
all.
சம்பாரிச்சிருன்னு வச்சுங்க. சப்போஸ் வெஸ்டர்ன் கண்ட்ரியில் நிறைய பணத்தை வந்து சம்பாதிக்கிறேன்னு வச்சுங்க. சம்பாதிச்சுட்டு அவங்க விட்டுட்டு வேர்ல்டில் ட்ராவல் பண்ணலாம், எங்கேயாவது போயிட்டு சுற்றிட்டு என்ஜாய் பண்ணிட்டு வரலாம். ஆனால் வந்துட்டு உடனே வந்து இங்கே அங்கே வந்து வேலை ஜாயின் பண்ண முடியும். ஆனால் இங்கே ஈஸ்டர்ன் கண்ட்ரியில் நீ வேலை விட்டு ஒரு 3 months வேலை விட்டுட்டுனாவே ஏன் எதுக்காக வேலை விட்டீங்க, ஏன் திருப்பி ஜாயின் பண்ணுறீங்க, எதனா லீவ் பண்ணுங்க,
Why it's happening?
ஃபேமிலி ஓரியன்டே வந்து ஜாப் ரிலேட்டடாக இங்கே கேட்குறாங்க. 1 year இல்லை 2 years 3 years வந்து இங்கே ஜாப் ஜாயின் பண்ணவே முடியாது.
Why it's happening? Because
அங்க
in Western countries
நீங்க
they have less
எப்போ வேணாலும் வேலைக்கு போகலாம், எப்போ வேணாலும் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். வேலை விட்டாச்சுனாக்கா அடுத்த நிமிஷமே நீ திருப்பி போயிட்டு ஜாயின் பண்ண
Because in Western countries you have-
இங்க இருக்கிற ஹெச்ஆர்ஸ் எல்லாம் அந்த மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கிறாங்களா? யாரும் எடுத்துக்கிறதே கிடையாது.
Not like that. In Western countries, less peoples are there, so they can able to get easily the job. Okay, in Eastern country, freedom not. You have vacancy, so you can get easily. Okay, they can give the job. Yeah, you come and join the job. They will tell like that. Okay, in Eastern countries, they won't tell because they're more populated. You can't get the job easily. Okay, that's why you are getting. That's why you can't get the job quickly.
In Western countries, women are giving lot of freedom. Okay, in Eastern countries is restricted.
Now they are giving.
Because of your influence in Western countries, you are sitting here and talking. You have given rights. It's a Western culture.
If the,
You know-
if I'm using my rights means do you say that
No,
I'm following
you are,
Western culture?
it's a Westernist culture only. You are adopting the Western culture. Here, in
How can you say that?
yes,
It's like-
yes, in India, it's restricted.
No,
No.
not like that.
Not like-
In India now, women are working everywhere. Okay,
Yes,
and
please, no, not before.
It's not changed, no.
Yes, no, we are Westernized.
It's not a Western.
Yes,
We
Westernized.
gave freedom for
Yes.
freedoms. That's freedom for girls.
After seeing the Western countries, you fought them to give my rights. It's not a tradition.
No, not like that. Actually, going for a job and speaking boldly. Do you think?
So we have come here for a final conclusion. We had a hot discussion about which is better, is it Eastern culture or Western culture? As I have told you earlier, the Western culture, Western countries, other countries, Americans and European countries, Canada, Argentina, Brazil, all these countries come under Western. When you come to Eastern countries, it's India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, China, Taiwan, whatnot, Hong Kong, including Australia and New Zealand. Even though Australia and New Zealand are occupied and people live over there, are Western people, but still it comes under Eastern country. So here you have spoken in different areas: lifestyle, living style, marriage, love and whatnot, everything. The core is, you see, the civilization, the earliest civilization. Indus Valley civilization started in India, and if you go in for Western countries, it is the Romanian civilization. You saw all the pyramids have been constructed. It is Western civilization. And you also find the Greek civilization. The civilization has started in Greece and in Rome, in Western country, and in Eastern country it is Indus Valley civilization. In civilization we find these two, and in religions we find Judaism, the oldest religion, and in India it is the Hinduism, almost 5,000 to 10,000 years back. And coming here to all the modern things what you have spoken about the marriage and love and all, not drinks and everything. It is the Eastern country, that is particularly in India, it is the birthplace of all religions. Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism has gone and spread all around China, Japan, Taiwan, Malaysia, Singapore, whatnot, almost all the Eastern countries, including Sri Lanka and Afghanistan. And coming to the next part, so-called the marriage and society. Kama Sutra has been introduced by Indians. In temples, 5,000 old temples, you can see the scriptures, you can see the sculptures, all sculptured, sexual oriented sculptures are there. So it shows how modern we are in man and women relationship. The ancient stories like epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana. In Mahabharata you find, what do you find in Mahabharata? Draupadi marrying 5 of them at a time. In Western country, at the most, what Shakespeare has written, the stories of Cleopatra and Caesar, you find. And coming to the part of, this is one thing, marriage and everything, then you find scientific. Before in Ramayana you find Ravana kidnapping Sita through a Viman or through an aeroplane, artificial aeroplane, whatever it is, we don't know, we find good olden days it has happened. And Rama throwing arrows and attacking. So civilization in that sense, the art of living, the meditation techniques, yoga techniques have been, and who are the format? The people, the saints, the yogis, the munis, that's in India, the yogic body and the Vedic mind, which the Westerners are trying to follow. But one thing you have to understand, materialistically, scientifically, they are much, much superior, Western people. All the human problems, 90% of our problems, poverty, illiterates and whatnot, pollution, everything can be solved. 90% of all the human problems can be solved by science. By science. Science can bring wealth. Science can bring health. Science can bring joy. Science can bring everything. But the 10%, which is the most crucial, the core, the important for a human being, that can be given only by the Eastern country people, that is called the meditation, the yogic techniques, the family attachment, the bonding, the 10% problems, which is, it may be looking simple, but it is the most important. That's what in Western countries, the emotional quotient is very low. Here the emotional quotient is very high, intelligent quotient and emotional quotient. Western people are very good in their intelligent quotient, but emotional quotient they are weak. But here, Eastern people, intelligent quotient is low, but emotional quotient is very high. Of course, we believe in all these type of superstitious belief. It is idiotic. It is something hateable, something which should be thrown out. All the traditional and unnecessary things which we follow. Of course, we are able to throw away sati. We are able to throw away widows, type of problem. Child marriage, we are able to throw dowry. We are slowly trying to remove it and giving property to females, giving rights to the females. Slowly it is coming up in Eastern countries. So almost we are keeping in pace with Western countries in all the modernity, and we are trying to give away all the traditions and coming up. But we need both. Eastern country people need both, and Western country people also, they need both. So with this, let us say, irrespective of all the nationality, irrespective of the color, irrespective of the race and creed, language, 194 countries are there. All the human beings are same in their consciousness. Even an American or Indian or a Australian, all the feeling of loneliness is same, the feeling of hunger is same, the feeling of anger is same. Only thing it differs, but the feeling is feeling. All the human being has the same consciousness. There is no difference at all. between Eastern or Western if you go deeply. So with this, let us end the discussion. Thank you, sir.